few months ago, UiPath released a product that's completely free, not demo free, not freemium, not give me your phone number and I will chase you forever free. It's just free. They don't even want your email address. So let's look at not so much what it is, but more importantly, why it is. And the product I'm talking about is the free version of UiPath's BPMN modeler. A more powerful version of the tool does exist inside UiPath Studio Web, where you can design what UiPath calls agentic processes. But the free version is really just a BPMN design tool, which sounds about as exciting as a BPMN design tool. But stay with me, because this signals something very important from UiPath. UiPath, to this day, is by many still considered a cute little RPA tool, and it was, but that was many years ago. Since then, UiPath has evolved from that cute RPA tool into first a hyper-automation platform and into today what I would call an AI and automation ecosystem. And because UiPath packs the power to solve so many kinds and types of problems, and this might sound illogical, it actually allows us to initially focus less on the tech and more on the business problem at hand. And as a consultant, as a business, before you build whatever tech solution to whatever business problem, you must understand the business that the problem lives in. How should your business run ideally? Who does what, in what order? And how are exceptions and edge cases? How are they all handled? And that's where BPMN comes in, because with BPMN, Business Process Model and Notation, you can design your business process end to end. What are the tasks? What decisions are made? Who's involved? All of that stuff, but completely disconnected from whatever shiny techie things are needed to help that process run smoother down the line. Maybe that shiny techie thing is a whiteboard or a shoebox full of index cards. I don't know. Maybe it's a system. Maybe it's a bot. Maybe it is an agent. But when talking about true business processes, we don't really care, not at this stage. And I know we want to automate stuff, and we should. But the conversation about what to automate shouldn't always start with a single pain point somewhere out there in the trenches. Automation at scale should be strategic, anchored not just in the business, but at the top of the business, because that's where decisions that influence processes are made. So what is the why? Why is UiPath giving us a free BPMN tool? Because they want to change where that conversation about automation starts. They want to move it up. They want to make it strategic and make it easy for companies to start mapping, designing their business processes. And when that's done, they can import those business process diagrams into the UiPath platform or ecosystem, analyze them, create business cases, build automations, and ultimately themselves evolve into a better version of their company. Make sure you subscribe to my channel here on YouTube and follow me on LinkedIn, and check out the free tool at bpmn.uipath.com.